Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add your domain in Squarespace. This is a squarespace.com website, and to add your domain name to your Squarespace account, first click on Login, then fill in your email address and password and hit Login again. Click on this website button below your desired website. And in this left side menu, scroll down to the bottom and hit this settings icon. Go to domains and email. Click on domains. Click on this use a domain I own button. The existing domain name that I want to add to this Squarespace account is registered on Hostinger. It's called benstestinghosting.com. First, copy it just like that and fill it here. Then click on this little arrow. Here you can transfer this domain to Squarespace or just keep it on Hostinger and connect it to Squarespace. I will go with connect domain. Select your domain provider from this list. Let's see if they have Hostinger. I don't think they list Hostinger, so I will go with other. Click on this connect domain button. Click on continue. In order to connect my domain name registered on Hostinger with my Squarespace account, I need to add these DNS settings to my domain name on Hostinger. So go back to your domain provider. In my case, it's Hostinger. Click on manage next to my domain name. Then go to DNS/name servers. To be able to manage my DNS records on Hostinger, first my domain name servers should be pointing to Hostinger. To do that, just click on change name servers. Now I need to replace the Bluehost name servers with the Hostinger name servers. This is the first Hostinger name server. Replace it just like that and repeat the same thing with the second name server. Click on save and wait a moment. Now that my name servers are changed to the original ones or to the Hostinger ones, click on close and I'm able to edit or to add DNS records. Now let's start with the first DNS. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is the host. Type is cname. Let's select cname. The name is this one. Now the required data is target and hit add record. As you can see, DNS record created successfully. Now let's refresh record to see if they are correctly. As you can see, record found. Now let's repeat the same thing with the other DNS settings. It's a CNAME type. This is the name and This is the target. As you can see, this triple W DNS record conflicts with another resource record. I need to delete the old existing one, just like that. Now that my old DNS record was deleted successfully, I think I can add this one. Click on add record, and it was created successfully. Continue doing the same. This is an A record pointing to this address. Same thing with this. Yes, I want to add an additional A record. Click on confirm. Click on. I think I added all the DNS records. Click on refresh records. As you can see, sometimes the current data becomes green and sometimes it shows up in this red color. Usually DNS changes takes hours to in order to fully take effect. So just be patient in this step and don't worry if something goes wrong. Everything is right. If you follow this tutorial step by step, so everything is right. Now you can click on view website. If your website is still not accessible using your domain name, just keep refreshing from time to time. Sometimes it can take an hour, sometimes it can take up to 2 days, for example. So just be patient and don't worry. And this is how to add your domain to Squarespace.